We do our best to stay safe on the devices we are accessing, but for many of us, there are tons of technical elements that we just aren't trained to handle. Relying on tech support can be critical to help fixing problems on a device to get us back in working order. Unfortunately, cybercriminals are using our reliance on technical support representatives to trick individuals into paying them money or installing a real virus. The majority of these tech support scams fall into two main categories: cold calling and pop-up messages. In the cold call version of a tech support scam, the scammer will typically randomly call their target and claim to be a computer technician from a well-known company. Using scare tactics, the scammer may tell their target that they've detected a virus on their device and they must take certain steps to fix it. These steps may involve them remoting into the device or them walking the target through the steps to fix the issue on their own. Their tone and approach may seem helpful, but this is a common scam designed to infect your device with a real virus to either steal your data or charge you a fee to remove it. Another common tech support scam is the pop-up message, warning of a virus detected on the device, typically while browsing the internet. You've probably seen them before. The screen locks up, a red page appears, and text reads, "Your device is infected," and a mini panic attack may ensue. Additional text may describe how to fix the issue, which typically involves calling the support number provided. Don't be fooled. These pop-ups are typically fake, designed to trick you into acting quickly and irrationally to call the phone number. Calling the number will connect you with a fake representative, who, similar to the first scam, will either plant a virus on your computer themselves or trick you into doing it for them and charging you a fee to remove it. Here are some tips to ensure that you are not the next victim of a tech support scam. Legitimate tech companies will never contact you directly. Never allow anyone to remotely access your computer unless you know with certainty who you are talking to. If you are requested to allow remote access to your computer, verify the identity of the requesting individual or party before moving forward. If you have any suspicions, contact your supervisor prior to allowing remote access. Never call the number on a pop-up warning message. A real virus alert will never give you a number to call. If you receive a suspicious phone call or pop-up message regarding tech support, tell your supervisor and IT immediately before taking any action on your own.